Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and just before I start today's video, I just want to make you all aware of the trading signal service that we provide here. If you would like to receive trading signals from me, myself, or the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements, and you can do so simply by visiting our website www.dailymarketmovements.com. What I'm going to do is leave the website link below this video in the description, so if you are interested in joining our amazing team, and all you have to simply do is scroll down, click on the website link which I've left in the description, which will then direct you to our website, where you'll then see that we charge a very small fee of $249 for a year's membership, so great value for money. However, in front of me is the Nasdaq 100 futures chart, and as you can see, the market has done exactly what I said it would do. It's done exactly what I wanted it to do from yesterday's video. You know, we were trading as high as, I think it was 10,800 yesterday, and I said the Nasdaq, it needs a pullback to at least 10,500, and then potentially even as low as 10,000. You know, the RSI, we were considered to be extremely overbought, trading up at around 80, and as you can see, going the last hour or two going into the close yesterday in on Monday session, we had a massive sell-off. You know, the Nasdaq was trading up around 2%, and then we ended the day down 2%. And then as you can see today, when the US market opened, we were trading as low as 10,350. We have recuperated some of those losses, and we're now just trading at that 10,500. Personally, this is a good buying opportunity around 10,500. I think this is a faded floor in the market. I do think that the official floor is at 10,000. You know, that's the area where you really want to put lots of money to work. That would be great value for money. Anywhere near this, the bottom of his uptrend at around 10,000, so around 10,150 to 10,200. That is where you want to be putting lots of money to work. But also, I would be willing to open a position, because it might be come Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we could see another uptick towards the $11,000 mark. You know, I did say in last week's videos that I was expecting some rotation in the markets, and that's exactly what we are seeing here. The S&P is up today, the Dow is up today, and the Nasdaq is in the red. And this is exactly what rotation is. Rotation is just money flowing out of the tech stocks, which have performed very well since the bottoms back in March. As you can see, we're currently at all-time highs. We've had a large rally towards the upside. So it's money flowing out of the Nasdaq 100 and flowing into the S&P 500. And the Dow Jones 30, and you know, that's because these tech stocks have become growth stocks. You know, you have the likes of Apple, Google, Amazon, Netflix, Microsoft, Tesla. You know, these have all become growth stocks, momentum stocks, where people are just flowing money because they expect it to go up every single day. But you have some great value stocks. You know, we have banks, for example, JP Morgan. Just a huge congratulations to everyone who signed up to my stock group this weekend, because they reported their earnings, and I told us to buy it before the bell. So JP Morgan is performing very well today, but you know, these stocks are still 30, 40, even 50% lower than their all-time highs. We also have airlines as well. Southwest was at $31 this morning. That is a buy. You know, it won't be long until Southwest is trading north of $35, trading up towards 40. So that's exactly my take on the Nasdaq 100. But as you can see, a well-needed pullback. But I will be adding ever so slightly. But I don't expect the large strength that we've had in the past couple of months to continue, because look, if I zoom out on the chart, you know, you just cannot contain a rally like this. It just doesn't happen, guys. So do expect to potentially see some slowing down and some more flat trading. You know, I'm not saying that the Nasdaq is going to crash back towards 9,000 level. Back towards the $9,000 level. That's not what I'm saying, but what I am saying is do not expect this rally to continue forever and ever, because it's just not realistic. It's all pumped up by the Fed's money, but you know, as Warren Buffett once said, when others are greedy, you should be fearful. And that's exactly what I was this week when I saw the Nasdaq pierce for 11,000. I was thinking, Jesus Christ, and we were overbought. So this was a well-needed pullback, but also a great money-making opportunity if you play